Hello my dear children, I am here with another topic of your writing skills, advertisement writing, and we have already done the first part of this video. This is the second part where I am going to discuss what are the classifieds and what are the kinds of classifieds. So before going towards the kinds of classifieds, some important tips that we have to keep in our mind while attempting classifieds question. First thing is that clearly state the category at the top, means for example for sale, to let, etc. Means you have to clearly mention that whether you are offering a service or you are buying or selling certain things, right? So you have to mention the category on the top of your advertisement very clearly. Then next thing is that give all necessary details in points. Points, you have to give the details of that particular advertisement in points, and never forget to mention your address, name and contact number. Then only the people, those who are interested in your services or they are interested in buying your plot or anything, they will contact you. So it is very much important to mention your address, name, contact number, and then put the matter in the box. Put the matter in the box means suppose you are writing to let, so you have to write here like to let and then put this into the inner box. That is very much important. Okay, and then here you write whatever the information you want to provide about that particular apartment or anything, whatever you are offering for to let. So let's come to the kinds of classifieds that we usually face. And the first one is situation, vacant or wanted. Means this is especially for the means asking for the people to apply for some kind of a job, and then they can get resume they can get, and what are the basic qualification you are looking for, what kind of a person you are looking for, that you can mention in the situation, vacant or wanted. Next is lost and found. Something has lost, so you have to put it lost and found, and then you have to mention that what is lost or what you have got it. This kind of advertisement you can easily see in your regular newspaper. Every day they are giving these kind of advertisements. Sale and purchase. Sale and purchase, what you are if you are going to sell something or you are going to purchase something. Then accommodation, wanted. Accommodation, you are looking for a place where you want to live. Okay. Then next one is educational. Educational means you are offering coaching classes, tuitions or private tuition, whatever that you can mention in your educational kind. Then we have placement services. Placement services are those where people enroll themselves, and these companies, they hire them for the other company. They give other companies this service that we will hire and we will place that particular person in that company. Then we have matrimonial. Matrimonial we very well know, means there we are looking for a bride or groom, and there we mention the match, right? What kind of height the boy is having, what complexion is he having, how much salary he is drawing. These are very much valuable points in the reference of Indian matrimonial kind of thing. So and then come to this side, to let. To let means we have some place that we wanted to give for rent or for business purpose. Then we have tuitions. I already explained it. Packers and movers. Yes, there are a number of service provider. They offer their packing and moving from one place to another place. They will come and they will pack each and every object of your house, and they will take the responsibility to shift it from one place to the other place. Then we have kennel. Kennel is for maybe I don't know whether you know this word or not, but kennel is for especially for the pets. Some people are there who especially breed different kind of pets and they sell it. So kennel is used for that. Then we have travels and tours. You are very much aware of it, because number of times we have seen that people offer their services for traveling and touring purpose. They give you an itinerary and they mention each and everything that what you are going to get in this particular package. So these are some kinds of the advertisement that comes under the classifieds. I hope you understood it, and I will explain every single topic in a detail in my next videos. Till then, take care.